Hey guys, this is Joe from the Nautilus, and the Nautilus Art Show now is what it's called. And today I just thought I'd give you a short little video because I'm a nice giving person and I feel like there's not enough of these tutorials online. So today I'm going to teach you how to draw abstract art. It's a very easy process. This is going to be a pretty short video because well, it's just so darn fun to do. And I think you guys will enjoy this. So, you know, just get any good old-fashioned pen. Usually I like to use my Faber-Castell pen. I also have, you know, if I need to, I also have this guy here. Yeah, these pens are always good as well. I don't know if you can see it. Here, let's get the cap on there for ultimate representation. This is a Pilot V-Ball grip. It's an old pen that they don't even sell in stores anymore, honestly. A good sketching pen. It's a rollerball gel pen. And they're very good, and I use them for writing. Like, you can write anything with it, you know? Pretty interesting stuff. So, we're not going to use that today, though. I'm going to use this guy here, because it's got more vibrant lines. You've seen me use this in videos in the past, but I've never done an actual tutorial, so this is going to be... It's gonna be pretty good, you know. I feel good about this. So, all right. So, to start, you know, just get a nice sketchbook. You know, I got my artist sketch diary, acid-free sketch diary. You know, perfect for quick study, sketches and drawings. And we're just gonna have some good old-fashioned fun with this. All right. So, you get your notebook or your sketchbook. Get your pen or your pencil, your charcoal, your crayon, whatever you have around you at the time, you know, because, you know, you want to use something that you're going to enjoy, right? You know, a lot of people like to draw with crayons, so that's crazy. All right, so we're going to get started here, and, all right, so just focus on the paper, pick out where you want to start first, because you never know. I mean, you want to start on the corner over here, you want to start, you know, down here near the little spiral metal things. You start there, you start right smack dab in the middle. It's up to you. Art is completely subjective, but you have an objective, and that objective, my friend, is to create any world you want. So let's do that. Alright, so here we go. We're going to start with our abstract piece right now, and we're done. That's it. There it is, and just sign it right here. You know, just sign this bad boy right here. You can even title it. You know, you want to put some quotes up there. And this time I will use the gel pen. We're just going to call it Stick in Snowstorm. And just put that last little quotes around there. And there you go. There's your art. You know, now you can bring this to the MoMA or any art museum or gallery near you and sell it for $1 trillion because, well, that's what it takes to be an artist these days. Alright guys, take care.